Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
कॉलेजान वयर सरतानाच ह्या इस्कॉलाचो सगळो स्टाफ जो टिचरी सर बीन आसता ते सगळे थंय रानांनी भोंवंक लागले. सो आनी जाल्यार कितें जालें तर ते म्हाका धाकटो भुरगो आमचो सांडला म्हणा लागले. गाडये घेवन टिचरी म्हण सगळे रानांनी सगळ्याक सोदूंक लागले. आनी दिसतूच आमकां असो आवाज येयलो ते रानांतसून एकटो कोण तरी भायर सरलो आनी कोणी ते किची मारली थंय हांगार म्हणून आमी पळयताले तेजे तेणी ते भुरग्याचे कपडे बिपडे सगळे पॅन्टीचे हुका बिका सगळी तोडलेली आं. दिसतूच दिसल्या बरोबर आमी ताका घट धरलो. ते भुरग्याक समतो मेडिकलाक गेला. मनशाक आतां पुलिसाचे पुलिसांक रे सगळ्या जे कॉलेजी आहात इस्कॉला इस्कॉल सुटच्या टायमाक 1-2 वरां तरी सगळ्या इस्कॉलाक पुलीस ठेवचे.
So the child who was receiving therapy at our center finished his therapy and exited towards the back door, and he was missing for some time. We all made an attempt in searching the child, and within some time we found the child walking on the road. We brought the child back to the center. He was immediately evaluated by the pediatrician. The child is well and healthy, and because the child exited the premises, we had to file a police complaint.
धावलो कसो तुमच्या हितूंतल्यान?
Yeah, that is
So special child.
that is what we are looking into, how it happened. So that will take us some time to figure out how it happened. We have to review our CCTV footage, look at all the aspects of how that happened. So that will
is it
take
the
us some
negligence
time.
on your part?
We will have to look into that. It's very hard for us to say, but we work with lots of children.
स्पेशल स्कुलांतलो भुरगो स्कुलान आशिल्लो मदींच तो स्कुलांतल्यान भायर येयलो. एक खंय तेंचें दार ओपन आसलें ते थंयच्यान तो भायर येयलो आनी रस्त्यार पावलो. आनी जो अनसण जो मनीस आहा तो थंयच्यान वयतालो तेणें त्या भुरग्याक धरलो आनी एक ना नेलो आनी ताका मरेश करपाचो प्रयत्न केलो. प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर सौरव शिरोडकार.